30-day challenge for young entrepreneurs. This 30-day challenge is designed to help young people begin their entrepreneurial journey in a practical and structured way. The goal is to provide an overview of the process of starting a business, learn essential skills, and motivate continued action. The challenge is divided into 3 parts, with the first focusing on self-awareness and idea validation. The second part focuses on execution, and the third part is on scalability and building a brand. Part 1, Exploration and Planning, days 1 to 10. The first part of the challenge will focus on helping participants reflect on their passions, skills, and identify a viable business idea. It will also be essential to begin learning about the market and how to validate an idea before investing time and money in it. Day 1, define your vision and purpose. Objective, establish a clear vision for your business and define the purpose that will drive it. Activity, write a mission statement for your future business. Ask yourself, why do I want to start this business? What problem am I trying to solve? Who are the people I want to impact? This exercise will help you align your long-term goals with your daily actions. Tip, get inspiration from companies and entrepreneurs you admire. Your purpose should be something that resonates with you and the people you want to impact. Day 2, identify your skills and passions. Goal, understand what skills and passions you can apply to your business. Activity, list your skills and interests. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing? What do people often ask me for help with? Then, select the skills you would like to develop further or apply to a business. This will help ensure that you are pursuing something that you truly enjoy and have the potential to grow in. Day 3, explore the market and find opportunities. Goal, understand market trends and identify gaps or unmet needs. Activity, research market trends in your field of interest. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and platforms like Pinterest to identify what's trending. Research your competitors and see how you can offer something unique or better. Tip, also, look at common problems that people face and think about how your business can solve them. Day 4-5, brainstorm business ideas. Goal, generate and evaluate business ideas that you can pursue. Activity, spend 2 days brainstorming business ideas. Don't be afraid to think big and bold. Make a list of all the ideas that come to mind without judging them. Then, choose the idea that excites you the most and has the greatest potential in the market. Remember to consider your passion and the market opportunities. Day 6, idea validation. Goal, test the viability of your business idea. Activity, validate your idea with a real audience. This can be done in simple ways, such as talking to friends or family, conducting polls on social media, or even creating a landing page to capture interest, even if informally. Ask people, would you pay for this product or service? What is the biggest challenge you face in this regard? Tip, validation is crucial to ensure that there is demand for your idea before you spend a lot of time and money on it. Day 7, set a clear short-term goal. Goal, set a clear goal for your business in the next 30 days. Activity, set a concrete goal for the next 30 days. This could be something like, create a prototype of my product or get 50 followers interested in my service. The goal should be achievable, measurable, and related to what you want to achieve in this challenge. Days 8-10, initial financial planning. Goal, establish a basic financial plan for starting your business. Activity, begin planning your startup costs and funding sources. Make a list of the costs involved in starting your business, e.g., website domain, marketing costs, business tools. Also, think about ways to raise money. You can start with a limited budget, or look for ways to obtain funding, such as crowdfunding or partnerships. Tip, keep your business finances organized from the beginning to avoid surprises later. Part 2, execution and marketing, days 11-20. Now that you have a validated idea and an initial financial plan, it's time to start building your business in more concrete ways. This includes developing your product or service, creating a brand, and beginning marketing. Days 11-12, product or service development. Goal, create an initial version of your product or service. Activity, focus on creating a prototype or early version of your product or service. If it's a service, think about how you can deliver that service in a simple and efficient way. If it's a product, come up with a minimum viable MVP version to test. Day 13, branding and naming. Goal, define your brand identity and business name. Activity, choose a name that resonates with your target audience and is easy to remember. Create a simple visual identity, such as a logo and color palette, to convey your business values. There are many free design tools that can help you create these elements quickly and easily. Part 3, scalability and growth, days 21-30. Now that you've validated your idea, started building your product or service, and created an online presence, the next step is to learn how to grow your business, create long-term strategies, and solidify your brand in the marketplace. This part of the challenge helps you stay focused on the growth and sustainability of your business. Day 21, process analysis and optimization. Goal, identify areas of your business that can be optimized to improve efficiency. Activity, evaluate the processes you have in place so far. Ask yourself what can be done more quickly or efficiently. What areas are taking more time or resources than they should? Consider tools or automations that can help save time, such as accounting software, email automation, or social media management. Tip: tools like Zapier can connect the different platforms you use and automate repetitive tasks. This will help free up time to focus on more creative and growth-oriented aspects of your business. Day 22, competitor research and analysis. Goal: to better understand your market and how your competitors are positioned. Activity: conduct a detailed analysis of your competitors. Who are your main competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? What marketing strategies are they using? This will help you find a way to stand out in the market by offering something unique or better. Tip: tools like SEMrush, Ubersuggest, or even Google can help you analyze your competitors' traffic and SEO strategies. Use this to create a competitive advantage.
Day 23-24, growth strategy.
Goal: establish a strategy to increase sales and attract more customers. Activity: create a sales strategy for your business, considering sales channels and marketing techniques that will help you grow your customer base. This could include email marketing campaigns, launch promotions, affiliate marketing, or collaborations with influencers. Tip: offer discounts or promotions to early customers or at specific times to encourage sales. This helps generate positive word of mouth and grow your customer base quickly. Day 25, customer loyalty. Goal: create a loyal customer base that will recommend your business. Activity: develop a loyalty program or incentivize customers to return. This can be done through exclusive discounts, points programs, or freebies for customers who refer other customers. Remember, loyalty is cheaper than acquiring new customers, so create strategies that keep your customers happy and engaged. Tip: build a relationship with your customers through exceptional customer service, responding quickly to their questions, and showing that you care about their experience. Day 26-27, expanding into new marketing channels. Goal: diversify your marketing channels to reach new audiences. Activity: if you don't already have a presence on multiple platforms, start exploring new marketing channels. If you already have an Instagram presence, for example, try expanding to TikTok or YouTube. Remember that each platform has its own dynamics and audience, so tailor your content to each one. The focus should be on increasing your reach and acquiring new customers. Tip: try using paid social media ad campaigns to reach more people and test them on different platforms to see which performs best. Day 28, strategic partnerships. Goal: explore collaborations that can help expand your reach. Activity: identify potential strategic partnerships that could benefit your business. This could include partnerships with influencers, other small businesses, or even events or trade shows. Partnerships can increase your reach, improve your brand credibility, and bring new customers to your business. Tip: choose partners who share a similar target audience, but do not directly compete with your business. Collaboration can be a win-win for both parties. Day 29, performance review and feedback. Goal: analyze your business's performance and gather feedback from customers. Activity: conduct a detailed analysis of how your business is performing so far. Look at sales metrics, website traffic, social media engagement, and other key metrics. Also, ask your customers for direct feedback on what is working and what could be improved. Tip: customer feedback is one of the most valuable ways to learn where you can improve. Use it to adjust your product, service, or strategy. Day 30, long-term planning. Goal: create a business plan for the future of your business. Activity: set aside this final day to reflect on what you have learned and create a long-term strategic plan. Where do you want your business to be in 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years? What are your growth goals, such as increasing sales, expanding into new markets, or even hiring a new team? Set specific actions and deadlines to achieve these goals. Tip: use tools like the Lean Business Plan template or the business model Canvas to organize your long-term vision and the actions needed to achieve it. Challenge conclusion. After completing the 30 days, you will have taken important steps in creating and growing your business. This challenge helped you define your idea, validate your product, launch initial marketing, and start thinking about scalability. Remember that entrepreneurship is an ongoing process, and what matters is not just the initial execution, but also the ability to adapt, learn from mistakes, and continue to grow. Use this challenge as a foundation, but keep learning, adjusting your strategies, and expanding your horizons. Entrepreneurship is a journey that requires perseverance, creativity, and constant action. Share this video with your friends, inspire others to follow their dreams, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, challenges, and exclusive content for young entrepreneurs like you. We're on this journey together. Let's keep undertaking, creating, and conquering the world, one step at a time. Until the next challenge,